Welcome to your shop's dashboard, where you can fully customize your shop, view or send gifts, and more. Here's a quick overview of what you can do in each section or tab. Under the Branded Swag tab, you're able to view and add available designs to your shop. If you need designs created, click Add New Logos to get started. Under the Shop Catalog, you can further customize what products should appear in your shop by clicking on Edit Catalog. And you can change which item will appear on your shop front by clicking on Edit Feature Pics. Under the Sent Gifts, you're able to view all gift orders placed from your shop, see which orders are incomplete or live, and view order details for more insights. On the Layout tab, you can make changes to the logo that appears on the top left-hand corner, or the banner that appears on the shop front. Under the Settings tab, you're able to view general settings of your shop, set up integrations, edit the shop privacy settings, view and add shop admins, and more. Finally, on the Reports tab, you'll be able to view details of what items were purchased and by whom. This has been a quick overview of your shop's dashboard. Thanks for watching.